Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a minute since I was able to do a video. The weather has not been cooperating at all. Had all that rain, then it'd be nice all week. As soon as my day off came, storms, blah blah blah. And to be honest, I'm really not sure today's gonna work either. I just got down here. I'm at the lovely St. Andrews Park. I love it here. I don't want y'all to know that because I don't need you guys crowding this place, but it's beautiful. We're gonna come down. I'm gonna walk down here first, see what's going on with the water. I just noticed this purple flag flying. I hope that has nothing to do with sharks. I haven't met one of them yet. I'm in no hurry to. It's a little cool out here. Doesn't look bad. There's hardly anybody here today. Even the jetty don't have too many fishermen on it. It's supposed to be warm, the water. It's supposed to be warm water. To be honest, I'm actually really happy there's nobody here. Yeah, a lot of y'all may not know, but every bit of this is new to me. The videos, the scuba diving, the spearfishing, which I still haven't done yet, the fishing. But with the videos in particular, for some reason, I don't like talking around people. And it makes for a very awkward video. But I am trying to better myself. So I've been practicing. Ooh, look at that. You see that? Where is it? Boom. I need friends like that. Water looks pretty calm. Even out in the jetty, it looks pretty calm. All right. Well, I've seen enough to convince me to at least gear up. Get out there. Let me get back to the truck, get my stuff going. See if we can't get some footage under there. It's not very sunny, so I'm not expecting a whole lot of great visibility, but I'm hoping the water's at least clear. Be able to see something. Be a pain in the ass to drive all the way down here, load up, strap up the gear, and can't see nothing. Alright, let's get over here and see what we can do. Of course, right after I mentioned the insecurities talking around people, multiple people showed up. I got cold. I had to get my hoodie on. They're gone. They're finally gone. So, speaking of the cold, yesterday was my birthday, and of course I buy myself pretty things. I got myself a Neptonics wetsuit. I'm pretty excited about it actually. It's got the chest pad for the spear guns. Comes with the rape whistle. Got a spot down here for some power heads, which I hope to have. And then the pants here, got a built-in spot. My Koa dive knife actually fits in well. My Benchmade didn't, but I'm gonna strap that to my leg so I could be part of the cool kid team. I tried to put this on yesterday and it was an utter failure. Tried, well, I looked it up. I tried socks, couldn't get a single leg in. Got a silky bag from my closet and also failed miserably. Couldn't do anything, so I looked it up and I'm gonna try the old conditioner water trick. As you can imagine, I don't have any conditioner laying around the house, so I made a special stop. Got the coconut scent because I want to smell good. I'm gonna mix this in this bottle of water here, slush it around, and go see if I can't if I can't squeeze my fat ass into it. Speaking of this conditioner, to the crackhead cashier with your little slick comment, I didn't appreciate your tone, sir. didn't appreciate it. So I hope you're watching this and you can, well, I hope your pillow's 90 degrees for life, okay? So I'm gonna put some of this in here. I don't know how much, so I'm just gonna be liberal with it. I don't have a clue. What's it gonna hurt though, huh? I'm gonna load it up. Boom. I have no idea if that's gonna be enough. Not mixing very well. Anyways, according to the video, you just spray the crap in there, slosh it around. So that's what I'm gonna do. That might be excessive, might not be enough, but now this might take me 5 hours or 10 minutes. I have no idea. It'll be just a couple seconds for you, but I'm gonna go see if I can't get this thing on, and we'll see how that works out. Buddy, let me tell you something. I don't care if you dive or not. Sliding into this grease down suit was one of the most amazing amazing things I've ever felt. I don't even think I need women anymore. It was that good. Highly recommend it. Get out there, give yourself a wetsuit, and give it a shot, because that was incredible. However, it seems to fit great. Feel like a superhero at this point. Does have the hood. I think I'm ready for business. That being said, I think I'm about ready to get my scuba gear together. I'm going to save you the trouble of watching that. It's actually pretty boring. But yeah, let me get strapped up, get this thing all loaded down, and we'll take a walk down to the beach, get in the water, and hopefully we can see something, okay? All right, I'm ready. Let's go. Got that conditioner in my mouth. This place is so beautiful. I could easily hobo here. All right, let me get the rest of this gear on. We're in business. My God, what an ordeal. I learned some things for sure. So I went and bought all this crap to take with me. You know, the buoy, tow. I realized I do not like that. I think that thing is a liability, to be honest. I think I'd rather just be smart enough to look out for a fucking boat. What else? Oh, the suit itself. I need more weights. It was an absolute struggle to stay down. I ended up having to pick up rocks off the bottom to give me more buoyancy, or less buoyancy. Of course, you'll never know that because, well, I lost my damn GoPro. Lost it right after I got in there. Had no idea either. I did, however, find a GoPro. I was very excited about that. Saw a bunch of fish, you know, doing my thing, da 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 da. On the way back, I noticed my camera was gone, and I spent almost every PSI of air I had trying to track that thing down, looking everywhere I'd been, thinking for sure that's where it was. Nope. On the way home or on the way back to shore, when I gave up on searching for it, I was just kind of browsing on my way back. There it was, just sitting there. So yeah, I don't know if this was a win or not. I guess I did have fun now that the horror story's over, and I got a camera. I don't know how this works because this is my first GoPro, but whoever lost it, if I plug it in and it says your name, I'll let you know. If not, I got a new GoPro. So yeah, my suit feels good, by the way. That lotion, or shampoo, or conditioner I should say, yeah, that stuff's great. So suit works. I know I don't like this buoy. I don't want to tow it around. It ain't safe. it ain't safe. But you know, there's a bunch of people that think they know what's best for you, and well, they're pretty opinionated, but I don't like it. I do not like it. What else? Oh, that bag I bought to put all my little spare stuff in there. Yeah, I got to figure out something with that too. That was a pain in the butt. But other than that, I'm gonna pack up, head back up to Dothan, Alabama, see what we could pick up for a snack or drink on the way home. And yeah, appreciate you coming along. Sorry you didn't get to see all the fish and stuff, but it is what it is. Next time.